John and Becca's Makey Makey creation.
Yeah. And the first question that we're going to answer is, what did it mean to be collaborative and or cooperative?
We thought when we were putting the Makey Makey system together and attaching the wires that we were cooperating with each other.
And that included the materials such as the glasses of water.
And then the process when we started putting the musical instrument together became collaborative. Because if you look at the level 5 rubric on ITL, we were sharing responsibility, making decisions, and that was improving our output and making the work interdependent.
And it looked, just a little bit, it looked as though it was a bit of trial and error as well.
Yeah.
We were bouncing ideas off each other.
And we also had constructionist support from the people around us who came and showed us a better way to Earth.
Yeah, Earth, and also to the events.
Yeah.
On scratch.
Was it a good thing?
Yeah.
It was cool.
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah. And a project like that is cool to make when there's more than one of you.
Yeah.
How did we make it work?
Basically,
we were
able to learn from one another and from others around us. And this was Education Council 2017, and to collaborate, to self-regulate and to develop agency over our learning.
So ours, looked different to everybody else's, and then we were allowed that choice.
And there's one of our references, and there's the other, and that's it.
That's it.